सो गाइस, आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं कॉन्सेप्ट असेसमेंट 3.5 फ्रॉम चैप्टर 3 स्टोइकियोमेट्री। Question 1. Magnesium metal reacts with sulfur to produce magnesium sulfide. How many grams of magnesium sulfide can be made from 1.50 grams of magnesium and 1.50 grams of sulfur by the reaction? Magnesium S जोड़ sulfur S magnesium sulfide S. Answer. Step 1. Molar mass calculation. Molar mass of magnesium equals 24 grams. Molar mass of sulfur equals 32 grams. Molar mass of magnesium sulfide equals 24 plus 32 equals 56 grams per mole. Step 2. Calculating moles. Moles of magnesium equals 1.50 grams divided by 24 grams per mole equals 0.0625 moles. Moles of sulfur equals 1.50 grams divided by 32 grams per mole equals 0.0469 moles. Step 3. Identifying the limiting reactant. From the equation, magnesium and sulfur react in a 1:1 ratio. Since 0.0469 moles of sulfur is less than 0.0625 moles of magnesium, sulfur is the limiting reactant. Simply का मतलब ये है कि सल्फर कम क्वांटिटी में है, इसलिए वो पहले खत्म हो जाएगा. Step 4. Calculating the mass of magnesium sulfide produced. Moles of magnesium sulfide produced equals moles of sulfur equals 0.0469 mole. Mass of magnesium sulfide equals 0.0469 moles गुना 56 grams equals 2.63 gram. Question 2. Zinc and sulfur react to form zinc sulfide according to the following balanced chemical equation. Zinc S जोड़ sulfur S zinc sulfide S. If 10.0 grams of zinc and 10.0 grams of sulfur are available for reaction, then determine the limiting reactant. Step 1. Molar mass calculation. Molar mass of zinc equals 65 grams. Molar mass of sulfur equals 32 grams. Step 2. Calculating moles. Moles of zinc equals 10.0 grams divided by 65 grams per mole equals 0.154 moles. Moles of sulfur equals 10.0 grams divided by 32 grams per mole equals 0.3125 moles. Step 3. Identifying the limiting reactant. From the equation, zinc and sulfur react in a 1:1 ratio. Since 0.154 moles of zinc is less than 0.3125 moles of sulfur, zinc is the limiting reactant. यानी कि जिंक पहले खत्म हो जाएगा, इसलिए वो लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट है. B. The mass of zinc sulfide produced. Molar mass of zinc sulfide equals 65 plus 32 equals 97 grams per mole. Moles of zinc sulfide produced equals moles of limiting reactant zinc equals 0.154 moles. Mass of zinc sulfide equals 0.154 moles times 97 grams per mole equals 14.94 grams. Question 3. Aluminium reacts with bromine to form aluminium bromide as shown by the balanced chemical equation. 2 aluminium S जोड़ 3 bromine L 2 aluminium bromide S. If 54 grams of aluminium and 200 grams of bromine are available for reaction, then determine the limiting reactant. Step 1. Molar mass calculation. Molar mass of aluminium equals 27. Molar mass of bromine equals 160. Step 2. Calculating moles. Moles of aluminium equals 54 grams divided by 27 grams per mole equals 2 moles. Moles of bromine equals 200 grams divided by 160 grams per mole equals 1.25 moles. Step 3. Using mole ratio to identify limiting reactant. According to the equation, 2 moles of aluminium react with 3 moles of bromine. For 2 moles of aluminium, required bromine equals 3/2 गुना 2 equals 3 moles. But available bromine is 1.25 moles, which is less than required. यानी कि ब्रोमीन कम है और पहले खत्म हो जाएगा, इसलिए वो लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट है. B. The mass of aluminium bromide produced. Molar mass of aluminium bromide equals 27 जोड़ 3 गुना 80 equals to 167. Moles of aluminium bromide produced equals 2/3 गुना moles of bromine limiting equals 2/3 गुना 1.25 equals 0.833 moles. Mass of aluminium bromide equals 0.833 moles गुना 267 grams equals to 122.41 gram. And that's it, guys. हमने सक्सेसफुली कॉन्सेप्ट असेसमेंट 3.5 सॉल्व कर ली। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो ज़रूर शेयर करें। बाय।